Grace, and today I'm going to show you how to make buttons for your art on a canvas. Supplies you need for this craft are buttons, canvas, a watercolor paint, black or brown, paintbrush, straws, measuring cup or small container, hot glue gun, and hot glue sticks. To begin this craft, you're going to take your watercolor paint and put a little droplet in your container and put some water in it and stir it. I also cut my straws in half. As you can see, I added enough water to make my paint very thin. I'm going to start by doing blow art for the tree trunk. First, we're going to take 3 dabs of your watercolor paint and dab it at the bottom of your canvas. Then we're going to blow the watercolor paint with your straw upwards. Make sure that your straw is at canvas level. Another thing to remember is not to blow too consistently, because you might get too much moisture into your straw. Rather blow in a more puffing manner. Now we're going to take our hot glue gun and place as many different varieties of buttons on the canvas around the branches. Always ask an adult to help you with the hot glue gun because it can be very hot. Tree art is finished. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thanks for watching.